the Amtech W1890. That's the tape dispenser gun, and the questions were very similar. Basically, how do you install the tape onto the gun and then use it for packaging your parcels? So there's the packaging you get with it. Inside there is the tape dispenser gun, and it takes standard 3-inch diameter reels. So if you've got a reel of tape like that, which is an industrial size, it then fits over the spool here. And basically, you've probably seen people use a tape gun all the time. You might be moving and want to use one of these to save having to cut individual bits of tape. So very useful tool to have. If you take your tape here, the actual gun goes onto the reel, goes on, as you can see here. I'm placing the reel over the spindle. There's a sprung loaded little arm here, so we hold the tape down, bring the tape through and fold it round the black roller, and the sprung loaded arm is now here. So we've got the tape on the dispenser gun, and the tape's come through. Pull it through underneath this red bar. Be very careful, pull the red bar off. You've got a very sharp serrated edge. Okay, so when you're cutting the tape, you can just cut the tape nice and clear, and then when you're using it on a parcel, you apply the tape, it'll catch on the roller, the plastic paddle holds the tape down, and then you twist it and it'll come off. So if I pull the tape through, you twist it and it comes off. There is a red knob here with a spring on it. You can actually tighten that up to increase the friction on here. So if you find that too much tape's coming out, depending on which brand tape you've used, you can tighten this spring loaded nut here. You can hear that tightening, and that's it. So hopefully that would helps you. If you have any other questions, please go to amtechdiy.com, and we look forward to answering them.